There is one movement that is even more important than soaking your feet at night, yet over 100 million people don't know about it. If after dinner you don't want to go out for a walk and you also don't want to exercise randomly at home, then follow me and learn this one movement properly. Practice it well, and even at 70 or 80 years old, your steps can remain steady, your feet feel light, and you can rely on yourself as you age. I truly hope the person watching this video right now is blessed with health and peace. Even if the first half of life had many hardships, I sincerely wish that the days ahead are smooth, safe, and healthy, with joy in every day. Today, based on my 15 years of experience as an exercise rehabilitation coach, I want to tell you this. Just spending a few minutes a day can help your legs grow stronger over time, so please watch carefully and learn seriously. When legs feel weak, kicking like this won't help even if you do it for a lifetime. Squatting like this also won't help even if you do it for 2 lifetimes. Many middle-aged and older adults believe that weak legs, difficulty standing up, or being unable to rise after squatting are purely leg problems, so they train their legs hard every day. But the real issue is not the legs. The key problem lies in a muscle in the hips that is often overlooked, known as the body's engine, the gluteus maximus. Let's look at where this muscle is. Upward, it connects to the entire lower back. Downward, it connects to the legs. In the middle, it links the sitting bones and hip joints. Whether it's walking, lifting the legs, standing up, squatting, or even mopping the floor, this muscle plays a crucial role. Once the gluteus maximus weakens due to aging and muscle loss, you'll start to feel your legs becoming heavier, your steps harder to open, and your balance less stable. When you squat down, you need to hold your knees or the wall to stand up. Going up and down stairs becomes difficult, and the risk of falling increases. For older adults, a fall is never a small matter. So at this point, the solution becomes very clear. If we can retrain the gluteus maximus properly, many of these problems can naturally improve. But how do we train it safely and effectively? Many people still choose running, jumping, or repeated squats. I strongly advise against doing this blindly. For middle-aged and older adults, leg strength is limited and joints are often unstable. Running, jumping, and deep squatting can easily lead to ankle sprains, knee strain, or lower back injury. Safety is always the top priority. The most widely recognized method that is simple, safe, and effective for training the gluteus maximus is core resistance training. You don't need to run or jump. Just sit on a chair, sofa, or bed and spend 5 to 10 minutes a day to complete it easily. Today, I'll teach you this method step by step. I also have parents at home, and I genuinely hope more uncles and aunts can learn this and benefit from it. If you find this video helpful, you can like it, save it, or share it with friends and family who truly want to improve their leg strength. Let's practice together. To train the gluteus maximus, this small tool is very helpful. It's called a numbered resistance band. Many older adults already have one at home. If not, it's affordable and easy to find, or you can check the product showcase on my profile. There's currently a promotion. Each number represents a different resistance level. After choosing the resistance, place your hands through the loop and put one foot in the middle of the band. Then perform a simple movement. Push the leg forward and pull it back. Push out, return. Don't underestimate this movement. Although it looks small, it has a powerful effect. Each time you push the leg forward, the resistance helps reactivate the gluteus maximus, stimulating weakened muscle fibers to work again and gradually regain strength. This movement also trains the legs, the waist, and the core together. Alternate both sides. Do 20 to 30 repetitions per leg, 3 to 5 sets per day. After finishing, stand up and feel the difference. You'll notice your legs feel lighter, stronger, and walking feels easier. Trust me. After practicing for a period of time, you'll come back to thank me. If you also want this numbered resistance band but worry about choosing the wrong one or paying too much, you can click my profile and check the product showcase. There's currently a special offer, and it's very cost-effective.